Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I close my non-obstructed garage door that refuses to close. As you can see, my garage door refuses to close even when there is nothing in between the sensors or in the path of the door. Let's take a closer look at the sensors. As you can see, nothing is blocking it on this side. Let's check the other side. They are pretty clean. But as I'm trying to close it, it simply refuses to close. My belief is that the direct sunlight is confusing the sensors. I try shattering the sensors, but the result varies. Luckily, I learned that there is a way around it through the wall station opener. Here's what I do. First, in safety first, make sure that there is nothing in the way of the garage door. Second, press and hold the wall station button until the door is closed. Ta-da! The garage door is closed. This trick seems to only work on the wall station opener. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment below on your experience and what kind of videos you would like me to do next. Have a wonderful day.